In the heart of the Indian Ocean, where the winds soften their voice, Seychelles drifts like a forgotten dream across the water. Its beaches curve like whispers, untouched and eternal, where granite boulders stand like sentinels of time. The sea glows with impossible blues, and the air carries the scent of salt and sun-soaked leaves. Footsteps vanish in the sand as if the island chooses who may stay, who may remember. This is not just a destination. It is a memory being born, a love letter written in waves and wind. Best time to visit. From May to October, when the monsoon rests and the skies shine clear, Seychelles awakens in its most graceful form. The winds grow gentle, and the seas calm into a glassy reflection of heaven. This is when the sun caresses rather than scorches, and every breath feels like a sigh of relief. Diving into coral gardens becomes a dream, and sunsets bleed slowly into the sea. It's the season of soft light, soft waves, and a rhythm that speaks only in peace. Anse Lazio, Praslin Island's jewel. On the island of Praslin, Anse Lazio unfolds like a secret the earth was never meant to share. White sands stretch endlessly beneath the shadows of takamaka trees, and the water glistens with a sapphire fire that mirrors the sky. Here, time halts beneath the shade, where the only sound is the hush of waves and the rustle of wind. It's the kind of beach that lovers never forget, and poets never fully describe. Every ripple sings, every grain of sand remembers your name. It is, without question, one of the most perfect places on Earth. Anse Lazio, La Digue's living canva. Step onto La Digue and into a painting you can walk through. Anse Lazio is its masterpiece. Smooth granite rocks rise like sculptures from rose-tinted sand, and the water shimmers with crystal clarity beneath a golden sun. Palms lean low, casting shadows that dance with the tide, and the world seems to breathe in slow motion. There are no crowds, no noise, just the hush of nature's finest art. It's the kind of beauty that silences the mind and opens the heart. This beach isn't just visited, it's felt. Praslin, where life and ocean meet. On Mahé's vibrant northern coast, Praslin sings with color and sound. The sea sparkles beside cafes and beach shacks, where Creole music drifts on the breeze and grills sizzle with spice. Children laugh in the surf. Fishermen cast nets like old traditions woven in rhythm, and travelers sip cocktails as the sun bows low. Water sports ignite the day. Jet skis, diving, and parasails dot the horizon. Yet amid the energy, peace still lives in the tide. It is the perfect meeting of wild spirit and warm embrace. La Digue, Island of Timelessness. On La Digue, the world moves at the pace of a bicycle wheel turning slowly down a dirt road. Bougainvillea bursts over garden walls, and ox carts clatter gently past sleepy homes. It's a place untouched by time, where people smile with their eyes and the sea hums a lullaby. Anse waits at the island's edge, untouched, unseen, a paradise within a paradise. The rhythms here are older, slower, deeper. To be here is to remember what it means to breathe fully, love freely, and live simply. best hotels, where dreams sleep in comfort. When night falls in Seychelles, dreams find shelter in the arms of luxury and nature. At Four Seasons on Mahé, villas perch on jungle-clad hillsides with infinity pools spilling into the sky. Constance Lemuria on Praslin wraps you in elegance and offers secret paths to Anse Georgette. On Félicité Island, Six Senses is a hidden world of spa rituals and oceanfront bliss, far from the noise of time. Le Domaine de l'Orangerie on La Digue whispers romance in every stone and lantern-lit path. In every corner of Seychelles, sleep is sacred. The food, a taste of island soul. Seychellois cuisine is a celebration of land, sea, and heritage, cooked slowly with love. Grilled red snapper is brushed with lime and fire, served steaming beside golden rice and mango salad. Octopus curry, tender and bold, simmers in coconut milk, warming the heart with every bite. Shark chutney surprises with spice and tang, and plantains fry into sweet perfection. You'll sip fresh juice from green coconuts and end your day with rum kissed by vanilla. Every meal here tells a story, flavored by the ocean, spiced by culture, and sweetened by the sun. Seychelles is not just a place you visit. It's a place that enters your dreams long after the plane has taken off. It lingers in the salt on your lips, the golden light in your memories, and the silence you now crave. You come here to escape, but you leave having found something: yourself, your peace, your wonder. The islands do not shout, they whisper. And once you've heard them, you never stop listening. If you found this content helpful and inspiring, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.